Okay, so in today's test, what I ended up doing, I wired up a, I sketched up a fan spoof. And then we have the coolant fan electronic circuit, which I have an idea to get that off. Alright, so what you see here, this is my board that I use to control the cluster or translate the engine ECM data to the Ford cluster. And I was telling you about the fan situation that I was working on something, but I didn't get around to doing it. Well, today I went and did it. So now I'm running this is a bench test, of course, so I'm running the engine data. So here is you're probably not going to be able to see it too well. So here's the engine data on the screen that I'm running. So it's thinking it's idle, and then I have it done at a percentage. So whatever the engine is spinning at, the fan will be spinning at something different. So now what I do here is I connect the ECM fan pins here, and it's going to think that the fan is spinning. So as the engine is spinning right now, it thinks the fan is spinning at 84 RPMs. Let's see what happens if I increase the RPMs here. So it goes up, but I would suspect that the fan speed, if the engine is doing, what am I doing right now? 1200. So probably should be a little bit higher. Let me see what happens at 2000. Because I know at 2000 we should be around 600. Yeah, so we're a little bit off. I need to do something about that. Okay. Alright, so we're going to try this again. I'm going to hold the phone sideways. I actually don't like it the other way. Okay, so we got 333. Let's raise the idle. Look at that. We have 1500. We've got 556 here. Let's see what happens when we bring it to 2000. So now the issue now is I need the engine computer to control the fan, because I have it where if it demands fan speed, this number will go up closer to the book. The book says like 2500 RPMs is like 18, no, I got it wrong. 2300 RPMs is about 1850, I think. Something in that ballpark. But anyway, so the next goal is to get this thing to control this RPM number. If I can get that, I could probably get rid of that fault code. Let me see if that fault code is still there. Alright, control circuit. So how does that work? So we got rid of the other one. How does that work now? That's the next issue. Alright folks, so I have now finalized the fan fault code that I used to have. I'm going to try to refresh again. So refreshed again, nothing. Let me see if I can go to the okay. Hit the throttle. So there you go. Can't do much about the fuel fault. I need an original 06, 07 truck. I need to see how it comes in from factory because I need to see what a stock truck looks like. Yeah, so other than that, that pesky map sensor fault I keep getting, that's next on my list.